Hello everyone, today we have a 2013 Ford F-150 Super Crew with the XLT package and title. And that Ecoboost engine is running smooth. I'm take you for a tour. Got the tow hooks up front, fog lights, chrome finish wheels, fixed running boards. You do have bed steps right there. I have one of them pulled out on the other side so you can see it. Tow package. Spray on bed liner. Power back window. There's one of the steps right there I pulled out for you. I'll go ahead and pop that back in. They swapped out the antenna with an aftermarket. You can see we can go ahead and pull this up or down. And then you have rubber floor mats in here on top of carpet. Fabric seats. You do have an additional power supply there in the back. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. There we go. And that center console flips up so you can seat 6. As we hop inside, you're gonna see that it has 132,724 miles on it. Your tow, I'm just going to go ahead and turn that down a little bit. So this is your comfort controls. I'm just turning those down so you can hear me a little bit better. But you have your towing controls, your 2- and 4-wheel drive, your stereo, push to talk, your cruise control. Over here you have your stereo. And we're going to go ahead and turn that down. But you do have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, and CD. And if you want to see the backup camera, you just pop it in reverse. And the backup camera is right here in the rear view mirror. Okay. Now as you come down, you're going to have additional power supplies, and there's your aux port right there, your Bluetooth, your USB port right there as well. And then here you have additional stowage, and as I mentioned, this does fold up so you can seat 6. Up above you have your controls for your power sliding back window, your map reading lights, and your sunglasses holder. That about wraps it up for this F-150 on the interior. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean title, clean Carfax. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.